Hi guys, this is Emily and today I'll be introducing a website that I really like, which is called TED. Basically, TED is an organization that is meant to spread ideas in the form of short, powerful talks, and it covers diverse topics. I think it could be very useful to incorporate some TED videos, especially in high school levels. Now, let's see how you can use this website. First thing first, you need to log in, either using your Facebook or your email account. Once you're logged in, then you can start researching and watching some videos. What is cool about this website is that if you have a specific topic in mind, you can simply click here and research, for instance, space. And then it's going to give you some videos that are linked to space. Now, if you don't have a specific topic in mind and you just want to discover some videos, you simply click here on Discover and Topics, and then it's going to give you all the themes that the videos are about. So let's say you're in your class and you're looking for a new project, but you lack of ideas, you can simply go on this website and search for a theme that could fit your classroom. Let's say mental health. Then you can click here and find some interesting videos that might give you some real nice ideas. If you like, for instance, this particular video, you simply need to click on it in order to watch it. And then boom, it appears. On the right here, there are even some ideas of videos that are related to the video you just chose that could interest you. There's also a little summary here and some info about the speaker. Also, if you want to see what people have to say about the video you just watched, you simply click on comments here and you can see what people's opinions are about the discussion that went on during the video. Once you've made up your mind and you want to keep this video and show it to your students, you can add to list. And then when you click on your home profile and click on your list, you will find this video saved right here. You can even create some playlists if you have more than one video that you want to show your students on a specific topic. Overall, I think that TED is a really nice website, especially for high school levels, because these videos are short, they inspire curiosity, and they can motivate students. I think they can be used as an intro to any subject matter, and also they could be used to test the understanding of students about a specific topic. Some teachers do it with Netflix, but I think TED Talks can be more serious issues that are discussed in a nice way.